everybody, welcome to the Texas Welder YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to do 1-inch plate with backing strip, 4G position, overhead, structure weld test. All the information of the test piece is similar to that of the previous lessons, and today I am going to use ER7018 1/8 welding rod all the way out and my machine setup at 120 amp. Alright guys, let's start with the lesson. Right now I'm working on the hot pass, my machine running at 120 amp. Right now I'm running at my third pass, still my machine set up at 120 amp. In this video you can see clearly what you have to do when you move your welding rod side to side. When you touch the base metal you have to stay there 1 second and then move to the other side, stay there 1 second. Best thing you can do, count with your mind. Anytime you move to the base metal, count 1, 2, 3 and then move other side, count 1, 2, 3. That's what you have to do when you view your welding rod side to side. Okay guys, right here I have root, hot and 2 more pass. The rest I'm going to do is stack beads. Alright guys, right now I have flushed the plate. I'm going to start capping. For the capping, I'm not gonna change my welding machine. Still I'm running at 120 amp for the capping. I am sorry guys, it is hard to see the puddle because of too much smoke. Right guys, I got done the today's lesson. 1-inch plate with backing strip, 4G position, overhead. If you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more video like this. Thank you for watching.